Alright, this exploration is kind of awesome, and it's kind of perfect to run as a sequence of tables at a math night, or just with your kids in front of a fire on a winter's day. It's a great example of folded space, by which I mean that people of all ages and abilities can work on these problems together. And there's not really a big advantage to having a big background. The only thing to keep in mind is that the solutions of each of these problems generally involve a kind of aha moment. So I'd encourage you to encourage participants not to give away the aha moment as soon as they see it, and also to resist the temptation to move to the next table or the next handout until they've figured out this one. The real fun is in wrestling with the puzzles. And speaking of each handout kind of giving away the next handout, be careful if you use the zip download to download all of the handouts in one go. That's totally fine. It's actually a good way to go. Just when you're printing it out, try not to peek ahead or you'll spoil the fun for yourself. Oh, and lastly, if you're running this as a math night, it can be fun to have different colored pieces of paper for the different handouts. Although strictly speaking, from a mathematical perspective, that doesn't make any difference at all. In case you haven't already looked ahead and everything I'm saying feels a little bit abstract, you're going to need scissors and paper for this particular exploration. But you're not going to need rock or fire, both of which beat paper and scissors in any form of paper, scissors, rock which I play. But we're not doing that anyway. Anyway, without further ado, check out the first handout.